Okay, so this is the pre-lab for Boyle's Law, and I have Boyle's Law in Chapter 16. I know Chapter 16 deals with kinetics, but Boyle's Law is before the midterm, so the midterm is due a little bit after that. So I wanted to first bring you to the report to show you that there are some instructional videos here, how to create a graph in Excel, how to create a graph in Google Sheets, and get also the trend line. This is going to be important for Boyle's Law. So there's that information there, and you can link then to the screen or the screen with into it with the previous. So you can link here to Boyle's law. But I mean, I can, of course, I'm showing this in the whole thing. So here is, I mean, the exploration part. You can kind of go on your own, and it also shows you how to calculate the pressure. Uh, so, but and so pressure is force over area, and I don't know, this is not a physics class, but I'm gonna kind of go through this. The area of a circle is pi r squared, r being the radius, and the units for Pascal, it's Newton, the force Newton meters. So uh, the the mass of a kilogram with the gravity of the Earth. So force times uh, acceleration is, I'm sorry, mass times acceleration is a force. So for instance, 3 kilograms is going to exert a force of 29.4 newtons at the surface of the Earth. And area is it for pascals, it's newtons per square meter. So if you have a force of 29.4 newtons over this area here, this is the force of 93,631 pascals. So that is how you do the pascals. We'll at least get the calculations for that. So let's talk about the experimentation though. So basically, you grab some books. So you want to grab books, and well, I guess let's go backwards. This is what you need to have: bathroom scale, calculator, textbook. It's, I mean, they don't have to be equal in weight, but it's nice. It's nice that they are. And the Boyle's law apparatus and rulers, so you get those as well. So where are we? Experimentation. So observing Boyle's law. So the way you do this is actually a pretty fun lab, I think. Well, you ought to weigh all the books, and it's easy if you put them in kilograms. If not, you can take this ratio here. If it's just pounds, then you can convert from pounds to kilograms. And then to explore the unit of area, we got to take the valve off the back. So otherwise, it's or I guess if you're strong enough, you can pull it hard enough, but that's probably a bad idea. Just follow the instructions here. Take the cap off, and then measure the inside of it here, and then go and you put the syringe upside down. So have the bottom part. So have this line here be at 60 milliliters, and also this goes here. It tells you about how to get the piston to not move, and it well, I guess it depends. We do this in my lab as well. It usually works pretty well. I mean, as far as like, doesn't move that much. So there might be a leak somewhere if there is, but get the volume where it's at rest. I mean, don't stick it at 60, and if it goes down to 50, don't consider 60 still to be the initial volume. Consider it to be 50, and do that until it doesn't move really anymore. And this figure here shows what you're going to do. And I want you to take a picture of this. Take a picture of your books on your piston like this. And my piston that I get in my kit is actually kind of cream colored, so doesn't, if it's not green, that's okay. So take this picture here, and include that in your report. So, but you basically you put the weight of the books, you put the books on, and you know how much each of the books weighs, and then you look at the volume. I mean, you can't, I guess, it doesn't want to zoom in on that. So go and look at that, and then get the volume reading for the different books, and then record those data, and then keep on doing this, and then you get to make the graphs. So I guess I don't want to go all the way down there. Make the graphs, and if you remember, I have the here back. I'm back in Canvas. So here are some things also on the here in the report section. This will show you how to make the graphs and whatnot with those instructional videos there. So, and going back to the hands-on lab. So include your data there, and I don't want to show you all the answers. I know I'm in the instructor viewpoint, but I wanted to give you some you know, a little bit of of direction. So when you get to the evaluation, answer all the questions, do a thing, and then submit your final report. I'd show you, but the thing is that if it doesn't let me. Well, I guess I can do the student view. I can do the student view. Evaluation overview. So I'm going to do this still in the. Okay. Yeah, answer all those questions. Command computer. Doesn't want to go forward in the. Huh. My computer is crapping out. Sorry for the technical difficulties here. Am I logged in too many things? Oops. Maybe it doesn't like being logged in all these things. So yeah, here you have your evaluation. Sorry it took so long to get here. So continue your evaluation, answer the questions. I know I'm just clicking through them. Answer the questions and finish, and eventually you'll get to the final report. And then when you have this, download this final report and submit that. Also with the image of your setup for the Boyles law, for the apparatus with the books on it. So, and make it fun for me, you know. I mean, this, you know, put something in there that's cool, like a stuffed animal or something. I mean, if you don't want to do that, that's fine too. That's so fine. We don't have to be silly with this one. So, yeah. But if you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully this is helping you. But I think it's pretty self-explanatory reading through this lab report. It's not lab, the instructions. I think they're pretty clear. But if you have any issues about it, of course, please let me know.